Hello, this is Margot Rose of Body Aware Living, and windy season is here. And today a windstorm was coming in. On a ranch and a farm, knowing the weather is a lifestyle, not an option. What you need to wear, which chores need to be done first, what the animals and land will need is different every hour. One must look up from the computer and the screens and live today, right now. Today in the windstorm, I learned a few interesting lessons. Sometimes a pretty sky is a warning sign. Look for signs that a storm is coming. Have the right equipment for the job. Check in on younger and older beings. Pick up your old trash so it doesn't move to a new place. Be ready for the wind to change direction. Knowing what's coming can be a mixed blessing. Look for who and where your true friends are. Know who's in the driver's seat. Move yesterday's fallen branches so they don't smack you in the face. Put sharp items face down. Love the ones you're with. Try to get along with family. Some days are going to be hair-raising. Protect your food. Know when to hunker down and stay out of a storm. Make your home cozy and safe. Remember, each storm we survive makes us stronger and wiser. Best wishes to you, Margot Rose.